Hi, I'm Hermione,
I'm Christy.
and this is our product,
Toasty Touchers.
Toasty Touchers is a simple and easy-to-use hand warmer that makes your touches toasty in no time. Here's how it works. You pop the water pouch inside. The calcium chloride and water react and release heat in an exothermic reaction. It's that easy.
So why calcium chloride, you might ask? Well, let's review the process. We performed a series of tests on 6 different substances: sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, lithium chloride, ammonium nitrate, calcium chloride, and sodium acetate. In order to determine which could best be used for a hand warmer, we had to find the heat of solution of each substance. For each of them, we put 3 to 5 grams of the ionic solid and 45 milliliters of distilled water in a calorimeter with a magnetic stirring rod. As the reaction occurred, we measured the temperature change.
In our lab, we used the following equations. Q equals mc delta T. Q of solution equals to the negative of the sum of Q of aqueous solution and Q of the calorimeter. Q of calorimeter, which equals to the change in temperature in degrees Celsius, times calorimeter constant, which is in joules per degree Celsius. The overall heat transfer of the reaction, which is Q of solution, was found by using Q equals mc delta T. The amount of heat absorbed by the calorimeter itself was calculated using the Q of calorimeter equations. As we used the calorimeter in our lab, we had to account for the possible loss of heat which may have been absorbed by the calorimeter. We plugged in the heat of solution and the heat absorbed by the calorimeter into the Q of solution equation. Then we solved the equation to find the heat, or Q, of the aqueous solution, which is the amount of heat given off or absorbed purely by the substance and water mixture. The heat of solution was later used in the process of deciding which substance to use in our hand warmer, as we strive to create the most efficient product using only the most efficient substances and materials.
As you can see, lithium chloride releases the most amount of heat compared to the other substances. However, it is rather costly at a whopping $68.30 per kilogram. This led us to the substance that produces the second most amount of heat, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride costs $10.80 per kilogram, which is much less compared to lithium chloride.
The materials that we'll use to make a Toasty Toucher are a plastic medium pouch and a small plastic pouch with 40 milliliters of water inside, 10 grams of calcium chloride, and a plastic sealer.
It costs $13.99 to buy 36 medium-sized bags, $11.44 to buy 1,000 small bags, $12.99 to buy 500 grams of calcium chloride, 99 cents to buy 3,785 milliliters of water, and $12.99 to buy a plastic sealer. Given the price of each material required to make one product, we propose selling our product for $1.50 to make profit. As for safety, calcium chloride only causes slight skin irritation. And don't eat it. It's also safe for the environment since it's used to melt ice on roads. To conclude, Toasty Touchers are safe and easy to use. It's also a clear bag so you can watch the magic happen. So invest in Toasty Touchers today to keep your touchers toasty.